The son had a speech ready. He never got to finish it. That's the whole secret of this story. A boy wrecked his life, then practiced a careful apology on the road home. He was going to offer his father a deal, and his father tore that deal up before he could get it out. Jesus told this story to answer a complaint. Religious leaders were grumbling that he sat and ate with the wrong kind of people. So Jesus told them about a father and two sons. The younger son does something cruel. He walks up to his living father and basically says, "I wish you were already dead. Give me my share now." And the father hands it over. The boy leaves, spends every coin, and ends up starving in a field, feeding pigs. Then something turns in him. He remembers his father's house, where even the hired workers eat well. And here's where he writes his speech. He plans to say, "Father, I've sinned. I'm not worthy to be called your son. Just make me one of your hired servants." Hear that last line. Make me a hired servant. He isn't asking to be a son again. He's asking for a job, a wage. He wants to work off what he owes, pay it down day by day until the ledger's clean. He's already decided grace has to be earned, so he shows up with a repayment plan in his pocket. Now watch the father. The boy isn't even close yet. He's a dot on the horizon. And the text says, while he was still a great way off, his father saw him, felt for him, ran to him, threw his arms around his neck, and kissed him. Every warm thing happens before a single word is spoken. No confession yet, no apology, no little deal. And already he's being held. The son starts his speech anyway. He says the sad part. But that pay it back line, the hired servant line, never even makes it out of his mouth. The father's already busy. He calls for the best robe, a ring for his hand, shoes for his feet. Every one of those says the same thing. You're not a hired hand here. You're my child. No probation, no trial period. The welcome is free, and it's fast. Now, I'll be honest with you. The boy did come home. He did say he was sorry. Grace isn't pretending nothing happened. But notice the order. The father runs while the boy is still far off. The love gets there first. It outruns the accounting. That's why there's a second son. The older brother stayed home, and he's furious. Listen to him. "All these years I've served you, I never broke one rule, and you never threw me a party." He's counting. He's got a ledger, too. He thinks love is a wage you collect after enough good behavior. So a brother welcomed for free feels like a robbery. The father goes to him, too, and says, "Son, you're always with me. Everything I have is already yours." And then the story just stops. We never find out if the older brother goes inside. The door's left open. So here's what I want you to hear. If you've been carrying a speech of your own, the apology, the plan to make up for it, the debt you can never seem to shrink, look again at the father on the road. He's running. Not because you finished the speech, not because your record is clean. He reaches you before you can get the deal out of your mouth. You don't have to earn the arms around your neck. They're already open. That's what we do here. Come find us online, where we're turning back to the old stories and finding the love Jesus actually came to show. There's a robe waiting and a place at the table. It was never for sale. It was always just for you.